So today we're talking about 5 ways to add more vegetables in your diet. So many persons don't like vegetables, they don't like to have them plain, or they just don't want to be eating salads all the time, and that's okay. I pretty much understand that. But because vegetables play such a vital role in our health and overall well-being, we need to find ways how to get them inside of our bodies. So if you don't like it the traditional ways, I put together these 5 tips that I'm going to be sharing just to help you to, maybe try one of these to see how you can get more fruits and vegetables in the diet. So the first one, easy, add them to your breakfast. That's you can add them as a side on your plate in your breakfast. So for instance, you could do your eggs with a side of steamed vegetables, some callaloo, spinach, or you could make a vegetable omelette, or you could blend them in your shakes and your smoothies. Drop a half a carrot in your smoothie one morning, put a handful of spinach one morning, change the color, fix it up nice with a piece of beetroot, or just find creative ways to add them to your breakfast. Eggs go well with tomatoes too, so you could boil your eggs and have that with slice some tomatoes on the side. Those are just a few ways to add them to your breakfast. So the second way, we can do them as chips. Yes, you can do vegetables as chips. You just slice them thin, or just for the leafy ones, just spread them out on a baking tray, spray a little cooking oil on them, and that's it. You just put them in your oven or your toaster oven, allow them to get crispy, take them out and enjoy them. Alright, you can dip a little salt on it if you want to, but you could have them as chips also. Third is to use them for noodles, right? So you slice up your zucchinis, your carrots, your potatoes, turnips, beetroots, all of them. You just slice them up or spiral them the same way you would do for noodles and spaghetti, and use them instead of your regular spaghetti. So far more nutrients, far more fiber, right? For far less calories. So that's another option. Number 4, eat your vegetables in your soup. When you make your soup, add lots of vegetables to the soup. That's an easy way. And most of them won't alter the taste of the soup. So just add them to your soup so that you get all the nutrients from the vegetables, right? And number 5 is to have them as snack. Snack on vegetables. Yes, you can have vegetables as snack. We don't only have to always have some peanuts or bars, or those are good, but I'm just suggesting you can do vegetables also. So you could talk about doing like carrot sticks. You can slice up the carrots and slice up your cucumber and have them with hummus on the side. Dip them in the hummus, they go great, right? You know what else is good? You could try celery with peanut butter. That's another combination. Just try it and you may like it, So those are the 5 ways that I have down here to suggestions to get more vegetables in the diet, so you don't always have to be eating a salad. And my last suggestion is to just learn to love a wide range of vegetables. That helps too. So you don't always have to be eating carrots, you don't always have to be eating spinach. Just try new ones. When you go to the grocery store and you go to the green section in the grocery store, or you go to the market, because that's where I shop. It's better in the market, but anywhere you pick them up, it doesn't matter. Just try a new one sometimes. Add it, read up about it, and find creative ways or learn how to use it in your everyday meals, So hope that helps. Stay tuned and follow for more. Like this video if you found it useful. All right.